Looking for the best dash cam? A high-quality dash cam not only records your drives for safety and insurance purposes, but also captures unexpected moments on the road. From crisp HD footage to features like night vision, GPS tracking, and parking mode, the right dash cam ensures peace of mind every time you hit the road. Starting at number 1, Garmin Dash Cam 67U. The Garmin Dash Cam 67U is a compact and discreet dash camera designed to capture high-quality 1440p HD video with an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, perfect for recording road incidents and everyday drives. It features built-in GPS, voice control, driver alerts like forward collision and lane departure, and easy video access through the Garmin Drive app with cloud upload support. The magnetic mount and sleek design make installation simple and unobtrusive, while parking guard and live view add extra peace of mind when your vehicle is parked. Number 2, Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is an ultra-compact dash camera about the size of a car key, designed to stay discreetly mounted behind your rearview mirror, while capturing crisp 1080p HD video with a 140-degree or wide-angle lens to cover more of the road. It features voice control for hands-free commands, automatic incident detection, and seamless video access through the Garmin Drive app with secure cloud uploads. Additional perks include dual USB power support and remote live view monitoring for enhanced vehicle awareness, all in a tiny, durable package. Number 3, Nextbase 1440p Dash Cam. The Nextbase 522 Gyro is a feature-rich dash cam that captures 1440p HD video with a 140-degree wide-angle lens and displays it on a bright 3in HD IPS touchscreen for easy viewing and control. It offers built-in Alexa voice control, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and intelligent safety features like emergency SOS and parking mode to enhance on-road protection. With automatic file syncing to your phone and compatibility with additional rear or cabin cameras, it's a versatile and smart choice for everyday driving and incident documentation. Number 4, Cobra SC200 Smart Dash Cam. The Cobra Smart Dash Cam SC200 delivers QHD plus 1600p video with a wide 140 field of view and a bright 3-inch display to clearly capture your drives and incidents. It features built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, hands-free voice commands, and robust driver alerts like live police and speed camera warnings via the Drive Smarter app. Smart features such as incident reports, emergency mayday alerts, and on-screen navigation help make your journey safer and more connected. Number 5, Vantrue T3 1520p Dash Cam. The Vantrue T3 delivers sharp 1520p HD video with a 160-degree wide-angle lens to capture detailed footage of the road ahead, day or night, using advanced HDR and super night vision technology. It features a radar motion detection parking mode with an OBD hardwire cable for 24/7 monitoring, automatic G-sensor incident locking, loop recording, and support for up to 256 GB storage. Built with a durable supercapacitor and user-friendly 2.45-inch screen, the T3 is designed to provide reliable performance and clear evidence when you need it most.